thing is badass. But these guys coming out here, you know, they've got some serious racing stuff. Mark Power, oh man, that's gonna be an awesome weekend. Woo! Here we go, baby. Getting it started. Bonneville Salt Flats. Oh my goodness. This is the place where people fulfill their need for speed. Woo! Gotta love it. Zombie Slayer Nation is out of Bonneville Salt Flats. And they got the honey buckets coming in, getting everything ready to roll on this. So much fun. So glad we did it. Zombie Slayer Nation. Guys, Zombie Slayer Nation out. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the share, and do the notifications too. Sign up for that.
To not miss for any new videos.
That's right, because we're posting all the time.
Also, it's free to subscribe and you can unsubscribe whenever you want.
And it really helps out a lot, so we appreciate you. Zombie Slayer Nation, out.